New pickup in today from Supreme, week 4. This was should be the Yohji Yamamoto collab. And I did not get a sticker pack, but they did give me 3 box logos, all the register to vote. Wanted the special stickers, I didn't get it, but I got a size large. The logo tee says Supreme, and it has a Yohji Yamamoto signature right there. Logo tee in white, size large. Quick pickup video. Got more from this collection. Really love the collection. Might pay resale on the knit because I missed out on it. But this is the newest pickup. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Subscribe if you guys are feeling this collab. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.